Holy cow. Man, bike toe up. Holy cow. Man, bike toe up. Jesus. What they done did to that thing? Man. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about this damn rental that they gave me, man. I really don't. Matter of fact, give me a second while I can get out of this bitch and I can talk about it when I got some light. I shall return. Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. It's your boy Him Too Wavy. It doesn't matter what they call you. It's what you answer to. Let's do this. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back to Him Too Wavy. What I'm gonna do is give y'all a review of this damn Chevy Equinox 2020 version. Off grip, I think the vehicle sucks. It's too small for an SUV in the best for me. Part 2, I think these tires are too small for an SUV. And into the 17s, 225, 17. I think anything an SUV of this nature should always go up above a 20. Give or take, I'll give it 18, but I don't think no damn 17 should be on an SUV. Because these wheels right here, I drove this thing and curved this shit, has handling sucks to me. The handling sucks. But they have the lock, you know, you press on lock. Got the Wi-Fi in there, the OnStar. It's pretty good. That's a good thing. And then you also know, I don't know about the SUV. Doesn't come with a sunroof. Is that a deal breaker on the SUV? Probably not. But this to be considered an SUV, the thing is small. Then you got nice little trunk space to be a small one. It doesn't automatically push up. This is the 20. It ain't doing it. Nice little trunk space. Ain't nothing spectacular about it. I'm considering it probably might be a base model. Seats 5 people. And I was like, hold on. Okay, so yeah. Seats 5 people. Only 2 rows. It's not that big of a truck. But I like the way they hid the spare tire. It's up under here. Might be kind of hard for a lot of people to get. He got to pull this all up and get to the spare tire up under there. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, man. It's not really. It's just like a graduation car with somebody. I would say. Pull the trunk up. So let's go inside. Let's open the doors. Let's open the doors. Now, my biggest gripe when it comes to interior cloths in the SUV, I think all SUVs should come with a damn leather seat. That's just my opinion. Not everybody might think that like me. You gotta think about most people buy SUVs because they have a big family. And if they have a big family, I mean you probably have small kids. Small kids spill milk or something on these seats, it's a done deal. Unless you know how to get that stuff to spray and then shit just fall right the hell off of it. Other than that, no. And 2 USB ports in the back. Which is good, you know what I'm saying? Hook your phone up, hook your iPads up, kids can watch TV. I don't really think this sit 5 people, but I'm considered to sit 5 people, but I don't think it do. Cup holders, they're in the middle of the seats. Basic stuff, automatic windows in the rear. But it's really not. Speaker system still in here on the door, all 4 doors. Once again, cloth seats, killing me with the cloth seats. I don't dig it. There's really no special features to this Equinox to even tell you about. Let's go inside though. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna go inside. Turn it, start it up. Push start. Dash, cluster, display while it's playing and cutting on. A couple things they got on here. The Wi-Fi, like I said, is on the outside. They got the audio, and Apple Play and Android Audio, and the OnStar. I mean, it's like really too much. They got the lane assistance right here. but it doesn't give you the lane assistance like if somebody's not lane assistance, but it doesn't tell you about the traffic that's behind you. So if somebody's on the left or the right hand side, it doesn't come up in the mirror. But this, it beeps when you're switching lanes. You can take it to manual, got the plus and the minus on the top. Parking brake right here. The shade holder right here. I know it's probably dark and can't see it, but the shade holder right there. Visors with the lights in them. I know that's all probably normal now. Got the Bluetooth speakers right here. Let me see that. Let me see that. The Bluetooth speakers right there. Speaker system up front. Speakers in the door. And it also has the speakers in the rear back there. But like I say, man, about the best thing about this car is that it has Android and CarPlay. It's about the best thing it has, man. Plug it up, plug and play, really. You don't have to set it up, it just puts it in. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Everybody knows what Apple CarPlay is now, and that's what I do. Give me a second, let me set it up. Didn't want that to play while I was starting. Oh damn, AC done popped on, I'm gonna turn that down. There's no dual controls for the left and the right side. When it comes to heating and AC, there's no dual controls for that. I have people hitting me up through the text messaging and stuff. Like I said, it comes up on there. Actually, that's a good example that it came up this now. You got like Android CarPlay. I mean, it's Apple CarPlay, so everything comes up. Boom, boom. You got everything. You got Prime Music on here, XM on here. If you don't have XM on your car, and you go to a rental car, or something like this is, you got the XM, play straight through it. It's a good thing. You ain't got to do it. All of it comes up. Got the maps right here. Like I say, that's the Apple Music. Basically, man, that's really it, man. It's really basic stuff, man. It's not really too much to say anything about this, but here they go. Now I gotta disconnect this because they're gonna keep texting in the group chat because this door won't work. Cigarette lighter. Center console. It doesn't have anything in it like normal. This probably can come out. Like this is normally where cars put their stuff in. They didn't put theirs in here. Chevy always put theirs up front. I was wondering why this didn't lift up, but it doesn't. So, but like I said, man, this is a 2020. Can you see me? Let me go in this way. Now you can see me. I got hanging out the window. This is a 2020 Chevy Equinox, man. I don't think it's really too many features to it. I wouldn't say purchase this for somebody that's looking for a long-term car and you want to not get bored with the car. I wouldn't say nothing like this. But if you're doing this for like a kid that's gonna graduate, or you just need a second car, or you need an SUV to tow stuff, I can understand that. But to have this as a regular car, your daily driver, you probably be alright. But without the features, man, you ain't gonna really get too much out of it. Well, you're not gonna have any fun out of it. You get bored of it, then you're going to trade it in, and that's just me. Maybe I'm the only person that thinks like that. But that being said, man, I just want to give y'all this quick review of this car, man. I'm probably start doing a couple reviews on cars to see if they let me do them up here at the spot that I go with, over talk to the people at, man. But other than that, man, it's your boy here to wait to stay ready. You gotta get ready. What they call you? That's what you answer to. Remember that. Be ready and be out. Matter of fact, sometimes people love to have the. I forgot to tell you about the automatic seats on this side, but it's not on the passenger side. The lumbar button goes right there, automatic seat. Let me scoot back off of this. But not on the passenger side. So passenger side doesn't have that. You've got the pump up, and you got the lay back, and then it's got the rail where you slide back, the slide thing right there for the passenger side. I think that's kind of unfair. I'm about to put some gas in this thing. Let's see. I think it's 149. They had this open. Oh, it's already open. What is it open? Oh, push. Door handle. Doesn't have a gas cap. That's pretty good. Doesn't have a gas cap. That's all right with me. You ain't got nobody stealing it. So, other than that, I'll be back. Stay it out. It's $1.45 gallon. fact, it doesn't even have a reverse sensor, but it does have a reverse backup light. That right there, 4 gallons right now. $5 or $6. You see that when you unlock the door? You can see the red. Let me see if I can get that over there. The red dot on there. Yeah, the red dot on there. So when you lock it, the red light's on. I mean on when you lock it. And when you unlock it, red light's off to let you know that the door indicator is locked. That's for the front. But the rear, they have little things that you pull up, little lock switches, or what you want to call them. Like I said, dude, ain't that much to the car, man, to be explaining it, but it does have a reverse camera, which is okay. Reverse camera, which is good. Reverse camera is always handy when it comes to SUVs. So like I said, man, that's I don't think I'm gonna come back. I don't think I can find anything else that I really want to tell you about. I really want to tell you about the doors. I really want to tell you about the seats being automatic on the driver's side and not being automatic on the passenger side. It took about $6 to fill up from 4 gallons. What did they give me? Let me see what they gave me for miles. How far I gotta go? How many miles I got left? 75% oil life, 380 range on a full tank. I don't see that in my car ever short distance driving. I'll never see that 380 range. I'll never see that in my car short distance driving. But okay, all right, man, it's your boy. Let me see if I can do some lane changing and see if it'll beep for me now. Let's get it. Car's coming. Hold out. He's making a right. Let's get it. Let's see. You make a left without the turn signal. It didn't beep that time. Oh snap, it didn't even beep, so. But it's on the dash telling me that there's a car in front of me. So it's actually telling me there's a car in front of me and how close it is. So see, depending on the color of the car, I think that's what makes it change. Or tell you how close you are to a car. Yes, sir. Other than that, man, I'm out.